Well, my batteries are gone. I have no batteries in my RV. They are out. A lot of you probably have wanted to get the batteries out of your RV and go to some lithium batteries. That's exactly what I'm doing in this video. I'm gonna put on solar. I got a lot going on. I'm really excited about this video. This is gonna be so much fun. This is gonna be old school YouTube. So if you guys like old school YouTube, no fancy editing, no music, just raw subject of whatever we're doing. You know, remember the olden days when we had put videos on YouTube and you would just watch them, it was just a video. Now they have music and all this editing. But I want to take you guys on a little adventure with me. I am doing lithium batteries and I'm going to put solar on the top of my RV right here. I have a 2021 Vortex by Genesis and I am tired of these batteries. I buy these like every couple years at Costco. These ones have actually made it 3 years because it's January of 26 right now. And I've made it 3 years on those batteries and they are just deader than a doornail. Every time I wake up, they're dead. Now with lithium batteries, man, we can get so many more hours of power out of those things and they last forever. Like my son was telling me they last for like 10 years. Unbelievable. So that's what we're going to do in these videos. It's going to be a video series because I'm going to do it, but I want to take you guys along on an adventure. And it makes it so hard for me to do this if I'm constantly filming and trying to stage things and reenact things. I don't want to do that. I'm just going to film everything we do. Every time I get a process done, I'm going to film it. We're going to talk about it. And you guys out there that are big solar guys, big lithium battery guys, you've done it to your trailers. I really need your help on this one. I need you to criticize what we do. Tell us if we're doing it wrong. We know we have a pretty good idea of what we're doing. My son knows solar, knows the lithium game pretty well. He's studied it and we know what we're doing. We've already bought some products. There will be no sponsors involved in this video. Okay, so none of the products you see will be sponsored products. The products you see in these videos, it's going to be an episode and I don't know how many either, but the products that you see will be on our Amazon affiliate page. We have an Amazon page and you can go down to the link below, go to our page and it will be in RV stuff. Just go to the little section that says RV stuff and you can find everything that we're buying for this project. I'm going to put in there. If I buy something that's not in there, I'll let you guys know. And I'll let you know where I did get it. But this is going to be super fun. You guys are going to be able to follow along as I do this. So if you're scared to do this with your RV, you will be able to watch Tim do it and make sure it works out good for Tim before you do it. So anyways, that being said, I'm going to try to keep these videos short, try to keep them right around 10 minutes. Because I know you guys don't have a lot of time, and I'm just going to put up every time we do a different stage. It'll be 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there. So if you miss one, you can go back and watch it. I'll try to put it on a playlist. I'm just trying to give you guys the lowdown on what I'm going to do. I got, I think 4 solar panels going on the roof. Those haven't shipped yet, so we're still waiting on those. But we did get our batteries in. I got some LITHIUM batteries. There's a lot of batteries out there in the market. We chose LITHIUM because we did some research and we feel that they're good batteries. A lot of you guys out there use those. I see them on the Glamis forum page. I see them on the Genesis forum page. So we chose those. We also chose some pretty big ones, some 320 amp hour batteries, because one of the things is I wanted to get my batteries out of here. I wanted to clear this out. This is I had wiring all over in here. So I'll tell you how I figured out what all that wiring went to is I didn't have really a schematic, just what they gave me from the dealer. So what we did was we hooked everything up and we started just disconnecting each wire. Then we would run around the trailer and find out what was disconnected, what wasn't working, and we weeded our way through and we labeled everything with colored tape. I have all these colored tapes. So some of the things were labeled from the dealer, some of the things were not. So we weeded through it. We figured out everything that we could figure out, what all the batteries were for, or all the connections and everything. And so we got that squared away. And then I got the batteries out. That's it. That's the last I'll see of those big heavy beasts. These things are really heavy. The lithium ones are a lot lighter. So let me show you the lithium ones. We just threw them in here. I know, here goes all the internet warriors right here. They're gonna go, oh my gosh, you can't do that, Tim, you can't. Oh yes, we can, okay? So pulled out my propane cans, because that's what goes right here. And believe it or not, the factory comes with a nice little rack to hold the batteries, and these batteries actually fit. This rack is like 29 inches, and these 320 amp hour LITHIUM batteries fit perfectly right in there. Look at that. So that's so awesome. We don't have to do any modifications to the frame. I'm just gonna run 2 batteries for now, and we just, like I said, disconnected all the wires. We got, like, let me turn on my light. I have a little light here. There you go. These are all the wires that came with just the green labels. These were all for the hydraulic jacks, man. There was a ton of wires for the hydraulic jacks. This little circuit breaker, just for the hydraulic jacks. So we singled all those out. We put those aside. Here's the plan. We hooked all this up for now so we could get a full charge on these batteries. And we did a little testing to see how they were running, and they are amazing. You can get so many hours. I think I could go to Glamis for 2 days and run minimal stuff on this. Now, I'm not planning on running. Let me take you inside. I'll show you my solar charger right now, what I have that came with the dealer. Came from the dealer with the trailer. Is this Go Power? Got my light on, so that's kind of annoying. So that's the one that came with it. And this is not the greatest unit. I mean, it does work if you just had two solar panels and some batteries. This would work. So we are going to sell this. So if anybody's interested and you want it, hit me up. I'll let you know. It works great. Everything's fine with it. But what we're going to do is, this is the solar coming off of the roof right here. And then these are the wires that go all the way back to the battery box. So we're going to link these together. That'll send those wires all the way from the roof back to the battery box. So when we put our new solar panels up there, we'll be able to just connect those wires, and we won't have to run wires throughout the trailer. That's the plan. Hopefully that'll work. Let us know if it's not gonna, you guys that are familiar with the solar and stuff. So I'm gonna use this just as a storage facility. I moved all the wires, got everything in here now, and this is your big breaker for your inverter. So I do have a smaller inverter, so I won't be running the AC and the microwave and all that. I'm just gonna be running the regular stuff that came with the dealer. So that's the plan. Here's the batteries. And I'm gonna cut this. This is only the first one of all the episodes. So you gotta bear with me. You gotta come back and watch the other videos. If you're bored and you just want to wait till we upload 3 or 4 of them to see the progress that we're going to make, that's fine too. So, but I really appreciate you guys watching it. Like I said, there's no sponsors here, so I'm buying everything myself. So don't think I'm going to be telling you, a certain product because they paid for something. Now, I'm going to put a board on the wall right here, and I'm going to mount everything real nice and clean. I ordered some stuff on Amazon. I got a bus bar coming from Amazon. That's coming today. So I got to get that board cut today. I got to get everything mounted on there, and then we can start doing some real good wiring, and we're going to try to get this all nice and clean. But this is just the setup, just so it would work for now, just so we could get these batteries to a full charge. So anyways, I'm cutting off the first episode right there. That's right at 10 minutes, no editing. And if you guys got any tips, pointers, anything, please let me know. This could be a really fun thing for all of us. I'm really excited about this, these episodes, this series, I guess, that we're gonna do. And I think a lot of us could learn a lot from this. I think I'm gonna learn a lot, because whenever I make videos and you guys comment, I learn a lot. So if you're just one of those people that's gonna pop in and give everybody a hard time, this ain't the video for you, okay? This is a video for people that don't know all this and aren't professional solar and professional lithium battery hooker-uppers, okay? This is for all of us to learn. So I hope you guys join me in the later episodes. I really appreciate it. For you, those of you that watch my channel normally, my regular Sunday uploads will still come out. The adventures still gonna come out. These might come out, I might do 2 of these a day, I might do 1, I don't know. But I'm just gonna take you guys along on the adventure. So I'm Tim, and my wife is Christine. This is our adventure channel, and we do adventuring in our UTV and our RV. But today's adventure is lithium and solar. So that's being said, that's it for the first episode. I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to go down and comment down below. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me your story. Tell me what you want to do, and I'm going to pass on the information I find out to you guys. All right, we'll see you on the next episode, which will be episode 2, and I'm going to show you that board and all the solar charger I got and everything. So you don't want to miss that one. Thanks for watching.